among a group of 10. We will explain the material about jigsaw technique to friend and lecture at the same time. Here I am with my groupmate Sakinah Subtiara. Okay, just on explanation. Jigsaw technique. The jigsaw method of teaching is a strategy first developed by Elliot Aronson in 1971 and further advanced in assessment practiced by Robert Selvin in 1986. Aronson developed this method as means to assist students overcoming learning gaps in Recently, Desgregate School in Austin, Texas teaching methods. For the past 50 years, teachers have been utilizing this method and its various components to promote collaboration in early grades through post-secondary classroom setting. First, what is jigsaw method of teaching? Just a jigsaw puzzle is a collection of various pieces that come together to make a complete picture. The jigsaw method of teaching is a collection of topics which will be fully developed by students before coming together to make a complete idea. To be more specific, this type of cooperative learning strategy allows individuals or small groups to become responsible for a subcategory of a larger topic. After researching and developing their idea, each individual or small group then has the responsibility to teach it to the rest of the group or class. Benefit of the jigsaw method in education. There are many benefits to using the jigsaw method in one's classroom. For starters, in most instances, students who take ownership in their learning will better understand the material. As active learners, students are directly immersed in the information and material, which promotes a deeper understanding of that material. When students are given the opportunity to contribute to a group, they also learn life skills such as communication and working within a timeline. This method also promotes collaboration and discussion, as well as self-motivated learning strategies. Students who work together learn to ask questions to clarify their understanding and provide critical feedback in appropriate manners. In addition, the jigsaw method in education effectively produces academic gains in problem solving and analyzing, two important cognitive skills. What material can be used in the jigsaw method? While most of the jigsaw method being used to teach subcategories of a specific overarching lesson, it can be even simpler than that. Each group could be responsible for a section of the textbook capture, a specific strategy for a math concept, the culture of county within a region, a capture of thread book, or even analyzing.
Second, what is jigsaw method of reading? This is an approach to reading that involves the student in speaking and summarizing skills. The student read their article, answer the question, and check understanding. Students then pair up with someone from the other group and tell them about their story and listen to the other one. Jigsaw reading can be done in two ways. First, two separate stories. If you have two new stories that share a theme, for example, two separate stories on crime, prepare comprehension question for each story. Give one half of the class one story and the other half the other. The student read their article, answer the question, and check understanding. Students then pair up with someone from the other group and tell them about their story and listen to the other one. To help students remember their story, you may get them to take notes. Alternatively, the student can keep the article with them to refer to. Be careful though, as lazier or ingenious, students will either read the article aloud or simply give it to their partner to read. Second, one story split into. Some stories can be clearly divided into. Follow the same procedure as above, but giving each group only one half of the story. When the students are recounting their half of the article, make sure that the student with the opening half goes first. Once the students have orally exchanged stories, they should then read the other person's article. As a refinement, you can give student B question to quiz student A about their article. Jigsaw reading is a great way to introduce speaking into a reading lesson. It provides a real opportunity for genuine communication.